crazy today. We got 2 Insta360s running at once. Well, one of them's a GoPro, and the other's the Insta360. Alright everyone, this is the new, for 2024, Moon Chaser at Adventureland. Here we go. This is one of the new top spins in America, one of the only 2 in the country. Very excited to be trying out another model. Maybe we'll do something cool.
Don't worry, we're talking about you.
Whoa! Starting off like a Moby Dick on me.
Don't care, we all know that.
Wow. Last time I saw something like that, it was the Crypt of King's Dominion. Whoa! That was pretty fun.
Shut up. Now, wait till you go backwards. You know what? Backwards is where I'm going, right?
I can't see. I can see again. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's like you got the spinning with the 5, it tricks you out on the 6, makes your mind go crazy. Wow! That was a great ride! Awesome fit for Adventureland.
Adventureland.